Bunanskin.
Kosha.
Kasha.
Ballian.
Amadan.
Tá sin na firoch tuamh tú na halba an Inbhir Theòrsa. Tá sí fuaile trómhína Gaelic an Inbhir Theòrsa 10 bliana arás.
Cóimhís a head cultach a bhí an Bhuailin nó tríon na Gaelic.
Hi, ma sgas hi mar Gaelic cello.
Ha bhí acin mar thula duine a seo nó raibh sin mar bake mar sgoilearan? Yeah, thula duine.
Hi ma or mar nuair duine bríon alapa haneal smúnich mú Gaelic.
Sciorciúir bhí sin bríon míon duine agus a bhí as it.
Yeah, I loved it. We got to do like school trips and all that and we went to Tain, so it was fun.
Cha do choisí Gaelic san Àrd-sgoil gus 2,000 sa fiche nuair bheith a chiad clás a bhain sa bhunscoil, déisiil is an Àrd-sgoil.
Sa bhunscoil leis an bríon Gaelic a Sealladh go nuair bheith sin dóiachaí.
Hainas derfyd cymwys lwys leis yn Gaelic yn Àrd-sgoil. Haniel rili dyn nhw diffyg yn clas gan eile ac ys o'n Gaelic. Ys derfyd ys o'n cainig a hylwyr.
Yeah, mar an Bunscoil thuair sin Gaelic Sealladh.
Nuair a hasin sin gon Àrd-sgoil, ha ddíoch an bliana acinne agus ha clasnas béice.
Hai ma bhrín has bhrín Gaelic ach sa bhunscoil bhaid tar na seád ha mis mewn sin or bha ese go thula duine mú Gaelic písbeic na smóa ach san Àrd-sgoil a haneal thula duine ho córstal rís.
Do you feel you understand and know what Gaelic medium education is?
I think I understand because I grew up in Wales, so we've got Welsh medium in Wales. But whether I know who all the Gaelic medium pupils are is another thing. I'm not so sure.
I think I know a little, but not enough. Definitely not enough about it.
Yeah, I think obviously we're aware that you guys are doing it in classes, but I think maybe a little surprised at how fluently you are speaking just now between you.
I do, because I'm the guidance teacher for 4S2, and 4S2 was the first Gaelic medium class at Thurso High.
I have very limited understanding of what it is, but I imagine mostly people are doing the same subjects that the rest of the boys and girls are doing at Thurso High School.
I should and want to know more. I'm aware of my lack of knowledge and I want to fill that gap.
I grew up in a school that was both Gaelic and English medium, so I feel like I have a good idea, but it's very different in Caithness from where I was brought up.
Get a fuail trómhína Gaelic a bhí rú san Àrd-sgoil son céir blianachin a nes cha do thosaí Gaelic son luch únsaí gus bliana.
Do you know what Gaelic medium education is?
No. No idea.
No.
It would be nice if the school would tell us this stuff.
Would you like to learn Gaelic and why?
Yeah, because it's like good to learn different languages. No, because I'd be like way behind in everyone else.
I picked Gaelic because my father speaks Gaelic as well, and I believe that it's very important for me to learn and my siblings to learn since it's my culture as well. I do think that everyone should be learning Gaelic when they enter first and second year.
I would like to learn Gaelic. It seems like a nice language to learn to speak, especially with the popularity of it around this kind of area.
I don't think it should be compulsory to everybody because I think everybody's quite individual. If we had staffing though, it would be nice to be able to offer it to more pupils.
Yes, because we don't get the option to learn about Gaelic.
I think Gaelic should be compulsory in Scotland because it's your native language.
How do you think the school could encourage Gaelic?
They could put it in the announcements or like have it in an assembly. So.
I know that in many places in the Highlands they speak Gaelic, so it would be nice that people in Caithness can speak Gaelic and so everyone in the region can speak together.
Is many stocha díoch duine bhí éisteach na mór Gaelic agus haneala díoch na saoinichin ha iad chud amach má ha éisteach na smó duine Gaelic bia.
Yeah, for sure.
Sin ar Sealladh dé Gaelic an Àrd-sgoil Inbhir Theòrsa. Ha sin dóchas gon buring sin ar canan brostaigh san aimlí teach.
Runach.
Bunscoil.
Asal.
Iachni.
Búrach. Chidi.
Balcóise.
Cúig. Bearla.
Can. San aimlí teach.